So it's a new powder bagger that we have. With the bag, it's creating a great seal. You're not getting any material hung up in the seal. The way that it distributes the product into the bag really creates a nice seal to it. Also, really great printing on the bag for your lot, date code, any of the information that you need. We can print as many lines as you need on the bag, and then have it match the carton that it's going to go into over here in our brand new cartoner. Up the conveyor and across here, across the check layer. The check layer is set up to be connected directly to the scale head on the equipment. So if you have an underweight or an overweight, it automatically makes the adjustments to the scale head so that it will adjust it. Obviously, if it's over or under our weights, our mins and our maxes, it will remove the product from the conveyor. It'll take it off of the production line, but it'll make those adjustments so we don't have to go over and reprogram all the settings and have any downtime.